Hello friends, welcome back to my channel The Indian Mom's Kitchen. This video is totally dedicated to the summers. All of us have different memories from childhood for the different drinks that we've had either at our own place or at our grandparents' place or when we visited somebody or something or the other. These are three different recipes that have very vivid childhood memories for me. The Jeera NIMBU PAANI is something that my grandmother used to make when we used to visit her in her village. She used to make a huge mud pot full of it in the morning, keep it to cool, and keep it covered with a wet cloth for us children to keep drinking it throughout the day after playing. The other one is the saffron SHIKANJI. This is something I have seen my friend's mother, who are Rajasthanis, who served it to us once, and I remember her making it. So that is another memory. The third one is the all famous Kerala KULUKKI SHARBAT. KULUKKI SHARBAT, as everybody knows, is a shaken lemonade. KULUKKI in Malayalam means shaking. So let's begin this recipe. We'll start off with the KULUKKI SHARBAT first. For this you can take some kind of jar with a good lid, or if you have a cocktail shaker you can use that. Here I'm using a mason jar with a nice tight lid. Into this I'm adding 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'm mixing this for 1 tall glass, so it's 2 tablespoons of sugar, a pinch of salt, a slice of lemon, one green chilli and slitting it lengthwise, adding that to the mason jar too, juice of 1 lemon, to this I'm adding chilled water, some ice cubes too. This is Sabja seeds which are soaked in water for 10 minutes. I'm adding a few tablespoons full of it. It's extremely good to have during summers. Putting a lid on the mason jar, and I've started shaking. You have to shake this sharbat till the sugar melts. So keep shaking. Once you see that the sugar has melted, your sharbat is ready. Now to serve this up, I've put a chili and a slice of lemon into a glass and topped it with the sharbat. Your KULUKKI SHARBAT is ready. Now for the second drink, I'm making the Jeera NIMBU PAANI. For this, in a pan I'm roasting 1 tablespoon of Jeera or Cumin. How dark you want this NIMBU PAANI depends on how well you roast your Jeera. Once you start seeing that the Jeera has changed color and is leaving a very lovely aroma, to this I've added 1 liter of water. I've kept it to boil. Once it started to boil, I'm adding half a teaspoon of Chaat Masala. This was not there when my grandmother used to make it, but I like to add Chaat Masala to this. Now half a teaspoon of salt and 1 cup of Jaggery. You can increase and decrease the quantity of the Jaggery depending on how sweet you want it. I've added 1 cup to 1 liter of water. Now let this mixture come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, reduce the flame, put a lid on it and let it simmer for around 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, this is how your Jeera liquid is going to look. Keep it aside to cool. Once it's cool, either you can pass it through a sieve or let the cumin seeds be in the drink. I have passed it through a sieve. Now to plate it up, I'm adding ice cubes into a glass, juice of 1 lemon, and topping this with the Jeera liquid. Give everything a good mix and your Jeera NIMBU PAANI is ready. Also, this Jeera base water can be made and kept in the refrigerator for up to a week, and you can add lemon juice as and when you want it and have that drink. Now for the third drink. Here I'm making KESAR SHIKANJI or the saffron lemonade. For this, in a pan I've taken 3 glasses of water and kept it to boil. To this I've added half a cup of sugar. You can also add jaggery, but I've added sugar. 2 pinches of saffron or KESAR. Let this mixture come to a boil. You don't have to cook this for long, just once it comes to a boil. Reduce the flame. And now for the spices. I've added 1/4 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder or bhuna jeera, 1/4 teaspoon of black salt, 1/4 teaspoon of dhania or coriander powder. It's an unusual ingredient, the dhania powder, but it gives a lovely flavor. Mix everything and take it off the flame. Keep this to cool and let it come to room temperature. Your shikanji mixture has cooled down. To this I'm going to add the juice of 2 lemons. Mix everything well. And your saffron shikanji is ready to be served. To serve this up in a glass, put loads of ice cubes, then top it with a shikanji mixture. Your very flavorful and aromatic KESAR shikanji is ready to be enjoyed. I hope you like this collection of traditional Indian summer drinks. I hope to bring you more such videos. I hope you try out some of these recipes and make your summer more pleasant. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, then please give it a big thumbs up. Also comment on and share this video among your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do so now and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching and have a great day.